Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning.
Okay, so
Good morning, ma'am.
yes, good morning. So I think all of you are now ready uh, for revision, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so we'll start straight away. First, we'll do adjectives. Okay, what are adjectives? Yes?
Ma'am, adjectives are the word which describe a noun or pronoun.
Okay, so adjectives are words which describe a noun or a pronoun. Then we also say that adjectives are words that add something more to the meaning of a noun or a pronoun. They are called as describing words. Okay, any example?
Ma'am, the
Mom, she is a
sky is
beautiful girl.
clear.
What?
Ma'am, the sky
Mom, she
is
is
blue.
a
Blue is
beautiful
the
girl.
adjective.
Uh, Arane, first you tell what you were saying.
Ma'am, the sky is blue today.
The sky is blue today. So, what is adjective here?
Ma'am, blue.
And it is telling about what color the sky is, and sky is noun. All right, so it is describing the color of the sky, so it is an adjective. Yes, someone said that you will change the name, your name, my work, my life.
Yes, ma'am.
What happened?
Mom, I will change today.
You forgot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me an example of adjective.
Mom, she is a beautiful girl.
She's a beautiful girl. Okay, so what is the noun here?
Girl.
Girl. An adjective?
Beautiful.
Okay, beautiful. So, in this particular exercise, you have to identify the adjective and also name what kind of adjective that is. I ate some rice.
Ma'am, some is the adjective.
Ma'am, some is the adjective and the name of the adjective is quantity.
Okay. Then we bought French cheese.
Mom, French is an
Mom,
adjective
French was
and
the
the name of the
adjective.
adjective is a proper.
And the type of adjective is proper.
Okay, so it is a proper adjective. Fine. Which book is yours?
Ma'am, which is the adjective and it's an interrogative adjective.
Okay, fine. There are no pictures in this book. There are no pictures in this book.
And there is the adjective and the adjective name is demonstrative.
Okay, this is this book. So this is demonstrative. Most boys like football.
Most
Mom, quantity.
Okay,
quality.
quantity. Okay. These mangoes are sour.
Ma'am, these.
Ma'am, these is the adjective and the
Okay,
adjective type
Diksha.
is adverb.
Diksha, tell beta.
Ma'am, these is the adjective and the adjective name is demonstrative.
And that's all.
And sour is quality. Mom, sour
Okay, sour is
quality.
quality.
Mom,
Okay.
quality.
Okay, I saw it with my own eyes.
Mom, own.
Ma'am, own.
Own is
No? Ma'am, own is
Emphasizing.
emphasis.
emphasizing. Okay, fine. Emphasizing adjective. Carla won the second prize.
Second.
Second. And second is?
And number.
Number.
Okay.
Number.
Real adjective.
Okay, number. New York is a big city.
And big.
Big
Adjective.
quality.
Big quality.
Okay.
Adjective of quality.
We have got enough time.
Ma'am, enough, and the type is quantity.
And the type is quantity. Okay.
Quantity.
Have you been to their house? Have you been to their house?
Ma'am, there and
Their adjective name is possessive.
Okay. Possessive adjective, right. Then, which plants do you want to buy?
Ma'am, which
and
is the adjective and the type is interrogative.
Okay, interrogative, right. And it is pronounced as interrogative. Alright? The correct pronunciation is interrogative. Okay, fill in the blanks with suitable possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives you have to fill in. I love Darjeeling because it is the place of dash birth.
My.
Oh, my birth. Where is Sudeshna's house? I want to meet dash mother.
Her
mother.
Okay. Raj loves to ride dash new bike to work.
His new bike.
Okay. They live in dash house.
Their house.
Okay. All right. We must learn to respect dash country.
Our country.
Our country. Okay. Now, in this, you have to. Who is this? Okay, in this, you have to replace the personal pronouns with possessive adjectives. In place of personal pronouns, you have to write possessive adjectives. Miss Wilson is dash. In brackets, you have V teacher.
Our teacher.
Okay. I met dash sister last week. In brackets, I have you. Okay. I met your
Your sister.
Okay. Saina Nehwal is dash favorite sports star. Bracket, you have I.
Favorite.
Oh,
My.
okay. Leila likes dash painting. She.
Her painting.
Okay. Okay, her painting. That is dash dress. I. Okay, that is my dress. We went to Egypt to see dash historical monuments.
It's
Okay. Okay. Okay, it's historical monuments. Now in this exercise you have to fill in with some suitable adjectives. I love dash dress.
Your dress.
Okay. Okay, my dress, your dress, this dress. Dash bag is this.
Whose bag is this?
Okay.
Bag is this.
She is a dash lady.
Kind.
Okay. Can I pet dash dog?
Your.
Okay, your dog. Do we have dash money?
Some.
Okay. Okay, some money, enough money. Dash flowers have a dash smell.
these flowers have a
These flowers have a fragrant smell.
Okay, these flowers have a fragrant smell. Dash children nowadays play dash games.
some children nowadays play athletic games.
Okay. Few children nowadays play outdoor games. Alright, you have to correct the errors in the use of the degrees of comparison and rewrite. This is the taller building in the town.
This is the tallest building in the town.
Okay, cars are fastest than bikes.
Ma'am,
Cars are faster than bikes.
Okay. The weather is finer today.
The weather is
The
fine.
weather is fine today.
Okay. The peacock is more beautifuler than the crow.
The peacock is more beautiful than the crow.
Okay, more beautiful. This is more boring film I have ever seen.
This is the most boring film.
Boring film I have ever seen.
Okay. She is the fast runner among the students.
She's the fastest runner among the students.
Among the students.
Okay, that was very nice. Now a little bit of the present tenses. Okay. What does a tense tell us?
Now about the time that thing took place.
All right. Okay, so the tense, it tells us about the time when a particular action or an event it took place. What are the main tenses that we know of?
Ma'am, present tense, past tense, and future tense.
Future tense.
Okay, so present tense, past tense, and future tense. In this chapter, we'll be dealing with the present tense. What does the present tense tells us?
Ma'am, the present tense is going on. The things which are
Okay,
going on.
all
obviously
right.
Going on.
The
Oh,
action that is going on.
okay, okay. So, in this particular exercise, you have to use the simple present or the present continuous tense to fill in the blanks. Sometimes either may be correct, means either of the two, both may be correct also. Okay, where is dash John? Bracket you have B. Sorry, I told I told myself where is John. Okay, next one. Don't dash there. Don't dash here. Bracket you have stand.
Ma'am, don't stand here.
Okay. Okay, where dash brackets you have they and live.
Where do they live? Where do they live?
Where do they live?
Okay. Who dash at the door? Knock.
Ma'am, who is knocking at the door?
Knocking at the door.
Okay, okay. I dash outside in the sunshine. Sit.
I am sitting outside in the sunshine.
Okay. Our boss always dash on time. Arrive.
Our boss always arrives on time.
Okay. Okay. What's the matter? Why dash you cry?
What's the matter? Why are you crying?
Why are you crying?
Okay, fine. Storm clouds dash on the horizon. Bracket you have form.
Storm clouds are forming on the horizon.
Storm clouds are forming on the horizon.
Okay.
Stormy clouds is coming.
Okay. She dash the phone. No answer.
Ma'am, she's not answering the phone.
Not the phone.
Okay, she is not answering the phone. I dash to the fair. Go.
I am going to the fair.
I'm going to the fair.
The fair.
Dash you dash to come along. Want.
Do you want
Do you want
to come along?
Okay, all right. I love living here because it rain always and I love rain. It is exercise C. Same thing there also. I love living here.
love living here because it is always raining and I love rain.
Okay, it is always raining. The visiting cards printed by a company in Delhi be normally.
The visiting cards are normally printed by a company in Delhi.
Okay, all right. Do we have any other exercise? Yes. Okay, fill in the blanks with the present perfect or the present perfect continuous tense form of the verbs in the brackets. She, the meeting, attend.
She has attended the meeting.
Okay, since it is present perfect or present perfect continuous, so you will have either has or have. Has or have is bound to be there because it is present perfect. If it is continuous, then you will use the ing form of the verb. Okay, so she has attended the meeting. They dash to answer all my questions. Attempt.
They have attempted to answer all my questions.
Okay. Okay. Right, they have attempted. You dash continuously for 2 hours. Drive.
You have been driving continuously for 2 hours.
Continuously for 2 hours.
Okay, fine. I dash money for 5 years. Invest.
I have been investing money for 5 years.
Okay, very nice. Now we have the last exercise here. Use for or since. The strong wind has been blowing dash morning.
Since
Morning.
Okay. She has been copying lines dash an hour.
for an hour.
For an hour.
Okay. So you know where to use for and where to use since. Okay. So where do we use for?
Ma'am, to show a period or duration of time.
Okay. So when a period or a duration of time is given, then we use for, and where do we use since?
Ma'am, to show that something has been happening from a specific time, from a specific point of time in the past.
Alright, so when the beginning of a particular action or event is given, alright, the starting point or the beginning, like the strong winds have been blowing since morning, so you know the time. They have given you the starting point or the beginning point, so morning. So in that case we use since, and when duration of time is given like an hour, it is a duration, then we use for. Okay, the dollar has been climbing dash 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks.
For 2 weeks. Okay, my dog has been chasing a cat dash dawn.
Since dawn. Ma'am,
Since dawn. Okay, right, because the beginning point is given that since dawn. Mother has been washing clothes dash 8 a.m.
since 8
Since 8 a.m. Okay, they have simply given you the starting point and not the duration. So we'll use since here. They have been raising money for charity dash 2 months.
For 2 months.
For 2 months. Okay, because duration they have given, they have not told you when they started doing it. Okay, our team has been fielding dash afternoon.
Since afternoon.
Okay, I have been hearing about her dash months.
For months.
Okay, fine. So this completes your present tenses, and now when we meet next week, then you, for that day, you prepare the past tenses and the future tenses, or you want to do one at a time. I think both you can do in one day. Just turn the pages and see. Because then what we'll do now, one day you can do this together, the past tenses and the future tenses, and then I think next week we'll get only 2 classes. So in the next period, what I can do, we can do the complete literature course. Will that be okay? Yes, revision. Because you have already learnt all 4 chapters.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So next time we meet in the next class, you prepare the past tenses and the future tenses. Okay, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So some of you have really prepared well, and I'm very pleased with that. But the rest of you, those who have still not learned, please start learning now. Okay? All right. So this will be all for today. God bless you all. Bye, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day, ma'am.